mas ipauswag ang scientific mind gamit ang logic or mathematics. Kaning biyana circle mao ni sila ang nagtuo or ni-believe nga tanan information or ato nahibal-an naa siyay evidence o ebidensya. Sa Tagalog, gina-make sure nila nga ang tanan nilang nahibal-an kay tinuod and have evidence. And padayon silang nagahatag og importante nga contribution para mas masabtan nato ang kalibutan or the world around us. Karl Popper. I'm at the production of new falsification predictions. Science practice is characterized by its continued effort to test theories agent experience and make abbreviation and on the outcomes of these tests. Next, falsification theory. As long as an ideology is not proven to be false and can be explained a phenomenon over alternative theories, we should accept the said ideology. Allowed emergency of theories otherwise rejected by the verification theory. Encourage research in order to determine which among the theories can stand the test of falsification. Example. So this theory takes is different approach instead of trying to prove a statement kay true naga-focus siya on trying to prove nga kani kay false. So para ma-test ang statement I have example, all swans are white. Unya, nangita ka og black swans. And kung tahay nakakita jud ka o one black swans, ang statement kay proven.